I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today we're going to talk about a customer favorite, the S-5 ColorGard Snow Retention System. The sudden and unexpected release of snow from the roof can be dramatic, posing a serious threat to property and passerbys. The S-5 ColorGard Snow Retention System was designed specifically to prevent this from happening on metal roof systems. ColorGard is manufactured from mill-finished aircraft quality aluminum. It comes in 8-foot-long sections in punched or unpunched configurations. For today's demonstration, we have 3 possible S-5 clamp options to choose from that are suited for use with this metal roofing profile: the S-5U, the S-5V, and the S-5H90. The S-5U can be used in both horizontal and vertical applications on single and double lock panels. The S-5V is only to be used in vertical double lock panel conditions. The S-5H90 can be used on horizontal single lock panel configurations. In today's demonstration, we're going to use the S-5H90. The first step is clamp assembly. Simply thread the set screws in and we're ready to go. Next, place a clamp at each end of the area to be protected. The clamp should be placed between 6 and 9 inches from the eave of the roof. When installing S-5 clamps, use a regular screw gun. Do not use an impact driver. It can damage the clamps. Once your end clamps are in place, pull a string line from one end to the other, ensuring that it's taut. Next, place a clamp on each seam between the starting and end clamps, using the string as a guide for placement. Once the clamps are tight, it's recommended that you check the set screw torque. For our purposes, we're using about 150 inch-pounds, but this may vary from panel to panel. Call us for more information. After all the clamps are installed and tightened, remove the string. There are 2 distinct ColorGard systems: pre-punched rail and unpunched rail. We're first going to demonstrate the pre-punched snow retention system. Pre-punched systems include slotted holes 4 inches on center. These can be used on any roof panel that has a rib spacing divisible by 4 inches, such as 12 inches, 16 inches, 20 inches, and so on. If your panel is 15 inches, you will have to use unpunched. The pre-punched holes make for a quick and easy installation. Using the provided M8 bolts, attach the ColorGard rail to the clamps and tighten with a wrench or a socket. If you need to connect 2 pieces of ColorGard, splices are provided. The installation of unpunched ColorGard rails require the use of VersaClips. VersaClips are slid on from one end of the rail. In this case, we're going to use snow clips as well, so we slide the snow clips on in between the VersaClips. Note that snow clips should be used on all panels 2 inches or higher. Their use is optional on panels shorter than 2 inches. The VersaClips and snow clips are installed on the rail, lay it in place, and attached with the provided M8 stainless steel bolts. ColorGard is the only snow retention system designed and engineered on a site-specific basis, guaranteed to perform not to damage the roof or finish, and to exactly match the roof color for the entire life of the roof. Thanks for watching our video today. Visit RapidMaterials.com for more information about ColorGard systems and components. Don't forget to watch our YouTube channel for more great videos.